Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an outlet unboxing or unbagging. So if you have not checked out my Hang With Me vlog attempt video, which features some outlet footage and just a few other places that I decided to hang out, then I will leave a link to that video below so you can check that out. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the bag, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the reason that I am featuring this beautiful bag, which is the Dooney Bourke Florentine Leather Kingston Hobo in the color Ivy, is because first off, this is the bag that I carried yesterday, and also this bag is what inspired me to pick up the bag that I am about to reveal. So as I mentioned in my vlog, this bag is something that literally never caught my eye. So when I was walking around and looking around and trying to decide what I wanted to get, I had an out-of-the-box light bulb experience, and so I decided to just try this bag on and do a quick comparison of the bag that I was carrying, which is this Kingston Hobo. So I walked around with the bag a few minutes and I tried it on. I tried on some different colors, and I ultimately decided what color I wanted to go with. So let's just get started. Let me just share with you the bag that I decided to pick up. And again, it is totally outside of my box, but not really. But once you see it, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so here is the bag that she came in. And this particular outlet, they took the dust bag out of the bag and put the bag inside. I am not quite sure how I feel about that, but it is what it is. So the bag that I picked up is the Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Cooper Hobo. So as I mentioned, this bag is something that I normally would not have picked out, or did it grab my attention. I have seen this bag in the outlet several times. So this is in the color Bone with the beautiful Sierra leather trim. And it does have some functional pockets on the front, which I think just kind of adds just a little extra style to the bag. So now for the reason as to why I picked up this bag. So I did carry my Kingston Hobo yesterday, and as you can see guys, these are pretty close in size, and that's actually what made me decide to give the Cooper Hobo a try. Plus, it's very carefree. It's pebbled leather, so I don't have to worry about babying it. Well, I don't really have to baby this one either, but I thought that this would be something different in my collection to try out, to kind of give myself a little bit of a break from the Florentine leather. So I am so excited to have this color in my collection, because I only have, I think, one or two other bone colored bags. And this also reminds me of my first Dooney Bourke in this color. It was the Dr. Satchel in bone. So this kind of brings back some memories for me a little bit when it comes to this color combo. Okay, so I didn't stop there. They had such an awesome sale. So I also picked up the matching wallet in the color Bone, and this is the double zip wallet. It has two braided zipper pulls on the side. Oh my gosh, you guys, very smooth zipper. And as you can see, look at this. Lots of organization, absolutely love it. It also has a little wristlet strap if you wanted to carry it as a wristlet, but this is a huge wallet. So anyway guys, I just wanted to come and share with you the items that I picked up from my little outlet haul. And again, this is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Cooper Hobo in the color bone with the beautiful Sierra leather trim. And I also picked up the matching double zip wallet in the color bone as well. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to see a comparison video of the Kingston Hobo to the Cooper Hobo, then give this video a thumbs up and I will work on getting a comparison video up for you guys. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.